Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch, face down, on a soft cloth so nothing slips. Identify the end where the mesh meets the lug. Many modern mesh bracelets have quick-release tabs, but some use spring bars. Using a spring bar tool or a small pin, press the bar inward toward the center of the bracelet until it clears the lug. Once freed on one side, carefully slide the mesh off. Make sure to hold the watch steady so the bar doesn't spring away. Next, you open the clasp fully to expose the adjustable plate. This is where length changes happen. If your clasp has teeth or slots, lift the small locking tab with a flat screwdriver, slide the clasp along the mesh to the desired position, and align the teeth to the slot. Once positioned, press the plate down until it snaps. You should hear or feel the lock. Make sure to test by gently pulling the mesh to confirm it won't shift during wear. Finally, you reattach the mesh to the watch lugs. Insert the spring bar into the mesh end, compress it, and seat each tip into its lug hole. Once both sides click in, visually confirm alignment and close the clasp. Try the watch on and flex your wrist to ensure comfort and security. If it moves or pops loose, reseat the bars, use a replacement spring bar if worn, and readjust the clasp. This single troubleshooting step fixes most fitting problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.